Welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The best of Jamaica's culture on show at the highly anticipated Mellow-Go-Round, the premier family festival. The event featured the best of the best in dance, drama, music, speech, and traditional folk forms. The event was held at the National Arena over the weekend. Here are the highlights.
We never dash where we tick before we cross the river. We always carry Jamaica with we in our music and in our dance.
Them call me the big god police. When the bad man see me, them a fi run like thief. Me at the big god police.
Darling, how I love you. I gave all I had. Then they tried to take you, and now I'm so mad.
Now the Independence festivities climaxes tonight with a grand affair at the National Stadium. Tonight's grand gala celebrations features a cultural showcase under this year's theme, One Nation, One People. The special guest for this year's Independence celebrations is President of Kenya, Uhuru Kenyatta, who is in Jamaica on a state visit. During the gala, entertainers Sizzla Kalonji and Rita Marley will be honored. Patrons will also be treated to performances from Minister Marion Hall, Coffee, Beanie Man, Fab Five, and Sister Pat, among others. Stay tuned to TVJ and RETV for highlights from the grand gala celebrations. And a happy 57th Independence to Jamaica. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.